Meaning of gigantism.
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 Gigantism. Gigantism is a medical condition that occurs when excessive growth hormone, GH, is secreted during childhood or adolescence. This leads to abnormal growth and significant height increase. The condition can also result in enlargement of body parts, such as the hands and feet, and may lead to health problems such as vision impairment and cardiovascular disease. Gigantism is caused by a tumor on the pituitary gland, which stimulates GH production. If left untreated, it can shorten life expectancy and affect quality of life. Treatment involves removing the tumor or regulating hormone levels through medication.